Hello everyone, today's topic is Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is nothing but adding previous terms or getting next term. Suppose our first and second term are 0 and 1. Our next term is sum of 0 and 1. Our next term is 1, which is sum of 0 and 1. And our next term, what is our next term? Our next term is 1 plus 1, 2. And our next term is 2 plus 1, 3. And our next term is 2 plus 3, 5. Our next term is 3 plus 5, 8. And our next term is 5 plus 8. Can you guess? It's 13. Okay, it's 13. And our next term is, what our next term? 13 plus 8. What is the 13 plus 8? Can you answer me? It's 21. Okay, it goes on. Now you are able to understand what is Fibonacci series. It will be sum of previous two terms. Now come to what is our algorithm to print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. It's our algorithm. First, we initialize the first two Fibonacci number 0 and 1. First is 0 and second is 1. Use for loop from 1 to n to iterate n times to get the n terms. Print the current number. For every iteration, we can print that number. So we can get Fibonacci series from starting to end. First, we have to calculate next term. Our next term will be sum of first and second. Now first we update the first, because if we update the second, the value of second will be changed and our first will be value of second. What is current value of second? If we first modify second, then value of first will become next changed. So we update first and then we update the second. Here is the program. First we initialize the first and second and we iterate through n terms. We print first term and our next will be first plus second, or first will be second and second will be next. Now we can go through code and we code it and we run it.